Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope everyone is fine and I hope everyone is in good health. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a herbal weight gain syrup. But before going ahead to do that, I want to say that if this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to introduce the ingredients that we'll be needing for this herbal weight gain syrup to you, and after then go ahead to show you how to mix them. But for this video, for this syrup, I'm going to be using extract powders. As a lot of you all know, I like to use extract powders for making my syrup because it has some advantages that whole herbs does not have. Like for instance, when you use extract powders to make your syrup, you're using a concentrated form of powder, you're using the main ingredients, you're using the major ingredients. And another advantage it has is that it has a good texture, a smooth texture, and that's how most people like their syrup. So you can use whole herbs to make your herbal weight gain syrup, or you can use extracts. The choice is yours, it depends on you. So first of all, I'll be introducing the extracts to you. The first powder that we'll be needing for this weight gain syrup is ashwagandha powder. This is ashwagandha powder. Normally all extract powders come in brown color, either dark brown or light brown color, and this is very they have smooth texture. So what this ashwagandha powder does is that it helps to reduce stress and anxiety, it helps to increase strength and muscle mass, and it helps to add weight to all over our body. So there are other things that this powder also does in the body that are very good for us, but the most important thing is that it helps to add weight to the body. The second ingredient that we have here is called whey protein. This is whey protein powder. Whey protein powder comes in different types and different forms. Some whey protein powder are brown in color, just like this one, while some are like off-white in color, and some of them are flavored while some of them are not flavored. The flavored one tastes like chocolate and some taste like strawberry, while the ones that are not flavored taste somehow like milk. Doesn't really have a nice taste like that. So whey protein powder is needed for weight gain. It is very important for weight gain. Like when you're trying to gain weight, you need whey protein powder because our body needs protein to develop, and this powder is like very important if you're trying to gain weight. And also it doesn't just help you to gain weight, it also helps to add to your backside. So whey protein powder is very good. So the next powder that we have on our list is soy powder. As you all know, soy powder is a rich source of protein, and like I said, protein is necessary when you're trying to gain weight. Soy powder is good for the body, so we need it. We have to add it to our weight gain syrup. Then the next ingredient that we have here is maca powder. Like if you're trying to gain weight, you also need something that can help you to balance your hormones, and that is what maca does. Aside balancing of the hormones, maca also help to add weight to all over your body. The kind of weight gain that maca adds to the body is evenly distributed to the body. It doesn't make you to add weight only on your tummy or only on your face or only on your shoulders. No, the kind of weight that maca powder gives is evenly distributed in the body, and it makes you to look very beautiful. It helps to balance the hormones and all of that. So we need maca powder for our weight gain syrup. And the last powder that we'll be needing here is called shatavari powder. This shatavari powder is very good for weight gain. It helps to retain fat in the body, it helps to clear and clean the immune system, it helps to fight infections, and it's very good for weight gain. So you need shatavari powder for your weight gain herbal syrup. Another ingredient that I'll be needing for this weight gain syrup is the super appetite plus syrup. This is optional, but for this video I'm going to be using it. This syrup is very good for weight gain. Like you can decide to use it alone by itself, but for this video we are going to be mixing it into the herbs, and we are not going to be using a lot of it because it makes some people to sleep. That's why I said it's optional, because like if you're going to work, you wouldn't want something that will make you to sleep. So you can decide to use this syrup in your herbal mix or you can decide to use it alone, or you can decide not to use it at all. But this syrup is very, very effective for weight gain. Then we need honey. This is our honey, our pure honey, natural honey. We'll be using it for this weight gain syrup because this is going to be our sweetener. And then the last thing that we need is water. This is room temperature water. So without wasting much of your time, let me go straight and show you how to make your herbal weight gain syrup. So everything is ready. These are our ingredients. We are using 5 herbs in total. Once again, ashwagandha, soy, whey protein, maca, and shatavari. And each of these powders is 10 grams each. And in my previous video, some people complained about preservative, so I want to tell you something about preservative right now. If you want your herbal syrup to last longer, because since we are adding water, we need preservative. So the thing that we are going to be using as preservative here is our honey. If you want your herbal syrup to last longer, you have to make sure that your honey is more than your water. For example, for this video, I'm going to be using 60 ml of water. My honey is going to be 90 ml. The honey is 30 ml more than the water because the water is 60 ml and the honey is 90 ml. So for instance, if you're using 1 cup of water, let's say this is 1 cup of water. If you're using this cup as 1 cup of water, make sure that your honey is going to be 2 of this cup or 1.5 of this cup. Do you understand? So it will help your syrup to last longer. So you can also store your syrup in the fridge. And another method of preserving syrup is by adding alcohol, but I do not recommend it since you'll be selling this. Do not use alcohol, but for personal use you can use alcohol. If you know that it doesn't react with your body, you can add it. I recommend brandy. You can use brandy to act as a preservative to your syrup if you're making it for personal use. So let's get started. We are just going to turn all our powders into this mixing bowl, one after the other. After adding all the powders together, the next thing we have to do is to add water to be able to dissolve these powders. After adding your water, you start to mix. You keep mixing, you mix until you get a smooth texture. So you have to keep mixing like this until you get a smooth texture. When making yours, make sure that it's smoother than this. You can use a mixer to mix it so that you have a smoother texture, but for this video I'm just using a spoon to mix it. And the next thing we have to add is our honey. After adding your honey, the next thing you're going to be adding is the Super Appetite Plus syrup. You're going to be adding about 10 ml of this syrup. So I'm going to measure out 10 ml and add it. So this is 10 ml of our Super Appetite Plus syrup. We're going to be adding it into this our herbal mix. Like I said before, this is optional. You can decide to add this, you can decide not to add it. I added just 10 ml because of the sleeping effect that it has. Now that we have added everything, we have to mix. You have to keep mixing until everything is properly mixed together. So I'm done with mixing, and this is the texture of our weight gain syrup. As you can see, it's very, very rich. It looks very rich. And of course it is rich because it's loaded with the best ingredients to make you gain weight in no time. when you use this weight gain syrup, you will see results like within 1 week. No matter how strong your body is, it is going to respond to this syrup. The next thing you have to do is to package this weight gain syrup into a container. Like I said in one of my previous videos, it is always good to use darker color containers for packaging syrup, but at the moment I do not have a dark color container, so I'm going to be using what I have available. So I'm going to be transferring the syrup into this container, and then this is the cover. So this is our weight gain syrup, our weight gain herbal syrup. This is what it looks like after turning it into this container. Okay guys, so this is our end product. This is our herbal weight gain syrup. So I'm just going to go ahead and taste it and see what it tastes like. This is a tablespoonful. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Like, you're going to love the taste of this syrup. You're going to love it, and this syrup is very, very effective. You're going to be seeing results in as little as 7 days when you start taking it. You have to take 1 tablespoonful in the morning, afternoon and evening, 3 times a day. It's not bitter at all. If you're interested in buying this, the end product, it's available for sale. And if you're also interested in buying the extracts, I sell them. You can contact me on my WhatsApp, and I'm going to put up a link to the website, to my website below. You can also shop from the website. And also, if you're going to make this product and you're using whole herbs, please do not add water to it. You can use whole herbs to make your syrup, but don't add water to whole herbs, because no matter how you go about it, it will develop molds. You can only add water to extracts, which is what we use in making this syrup. You can only add water to extracts. And if you want to make a weight gain powder mix, not syrup, powder mix, you have to use all these powders I used in this video and mix them together, because I'm not sure if I'm going to be making a weight gain powder mix video. So just mix all these powders together, and that's your weight gain powder. So this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it as usual. You can always feel free to comment, drop your comments below. You can feel free to contact me. If you want to buy herbs, I sell them, contact me for the herbs. You want to buy my finished product, I sell them, you can contact me. And please subscribe to my channel, help me to grow my channel, and share this video. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.